Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is just a short description video that's going to be on kleshgold.com. It's also going to be on YouTube, but it is going to be in the description page for the Gold Blast Paydirt. It's not a review, it's just opening it up, showing you what's in it, what the customer can expect. So let's get over there and let's get explaining. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, here it is, the Gold Blast Paydirt. Full gram guaranteed from kleshgold.com. These weigh between 8 to 12 ounces. They are a pretty good seller on the website, and full gram guaranteed. You're always going to get more than that in every one of these bags. Let's rip it open, take a look at it, and I'll do some more explaining. So these are heat sealed. Looking down, you can see plus and minus 1/4 inch material in there. Nothing's going to be bigger than a 1/2 inch unless something slips through accidentally. All right, so as you can see, we have some round river rocks in there, a lot of that. There's some broken quartz and stuff in here from smashing bedrock, trying to get out the, in between the crevices. All that good material is in here. It looks a little bit dark. There is some black sands in here. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and classify it to plus and minus kitchen strainer. Okay, here's our plus and minus kitchen strainer size material. Right here on the top, I can actually see some gold right there. All right, so what we're going to do next is remove the magnetic material from the minus kitchen strainer. I'm just going to use my magnet here. Yeah, we've got some magnetics in there, but a lot of this material does have a good amount of black sand in it from my mining locations. So yeah, there you go. Okay, here we have our plus and minus kitchen strainer size material plus the magnetics. And as you can see, there's a good amount. It's some chunkier magnetic material there. We'll go ahead and pan that out first. So I'll bring over Crusty Rusty. I'll add some water and a drop of Jet Dry. There's not a whole bunch of black sand, there's only a small amount. So we'll just leave it all in the pan and slowly pan it back just to see if there's any gold that we may have trapped with that magnet. I know gold is not magnetic, but gold does like to get trapped in that black sand sometimes. Yeah, no gold, good. All right, next up, this is the minus kitchen strainer. There's not a lot of it here, so I'm just gonna pan it all at once. That might be a little bit too much, but I'm gonna risk it. Oh yeah, I just saw a whole bunch of gold in there. There is a gram guaranteed, over a gram guaranteed. It's always gonna be over. I need a little more water. There we go. This material isn't very difficult, but you do have to take your time. There can be, even though we don't add any flour gold, there most likely is, and that's from nature because of the material itself. Where I mine it, it's very rich in gold. All right, you can tell that the material's starting to get darker. That means it's heavier. Usually the heavier material is darker like this, so that's telling me that we're panning correctly. A lot of it's still panning off pretty easily, that overburden, so I'm confident that we're not losing any gold. All right, now the material's really getting dark. Yeah, these bags are a lot of fun. All right, we're almost at the end. I almost don't want to go any further. Once the material starts getting really dark, you want to kind of stop panning at that point and just leave everything in the pan. And then spin it back like this. You guys know how to pan, I'm assuming. If not, I do have a gold panning tutorial video. I'll link it up here in the corner if you want to check that out. Let's see this gold here. I'll zoom in a bit. Right up in here. There it is. Awesome. There it is. Now I know that's not a full gram, so that means over here we definitely have a nugget, or some bigger pieces at least. All right, I'll just grab that with my snuffer bottle. pan it one more time just in case. Don't want to miss any gold. Yeah, we're good there. All right, we'll go ahead and pan this out. These big rocks pan off very easily, nice and quick. All right, we're down at the end, and there's a piece of gold right there. All right, spin it back. There we go, a whole bunch of pickers. There's about 6 or 7 in there. Awesome. All right, so there it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up a bit. There's still some black sand that I grabbed with the snuffer bottle when I was cleaning up the small stuff. I'll just slowly pan it back. That black sand is coming down. Yeah, got some gold with it. Cleanup is always a tricky part. It's definitely the most commonly asked question about gold panning, like how do I separate the black sand from the gold? It's just patience, and definitely patience and a little bit of technique as well. But you can see I got them separated here, and there's still some gold in there. I can move those up by hand. And then what you can do is just grab the black sand with your snuffer bottle. And that's actually sometimes easier. So yeah, we're pretty much all cleaned out there. I'll go ahead and dry it out, and we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, there it is, the Gold Blast Paydirt from kleshgold.com with a full gram guaranteed. We had some nice pickers in there, some flakes, and even some flour gold that we didn't add. That just comes from the material itself. So yeah, if you have any questions about this stuff, definitely just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching.